Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys some of the reasons why your phone battery goes down really quickly. So reason number one is that you have a lot of programs installed and they stay in the background and they work without you actually activating them. So how you can fix this is that you have to go to settings, battery, and adaptive battery, and by doing this the programs that stay in the background won't be working without you activating them. Reason number two is brightness. So what you have to do is you have to turn on the adaptive brightness option so that your phone isn't always on 100% bright, but depends on where you are. Let's say that you are in a place with not much light. Then your phone automatically lowers down the brightness and consumes less battery. So reason number three is that you have weighted it with too much programs that consume a lot of data, such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Also with games that consume a lot of data. That's why I use a battery extender. But anyways guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and please tell me in the comments if this video actually helped you solve your problems. But anyway, bye!